Hi, this is Dr. JMR Chemistry Classes. In last video, we studied about ionic bond. I am giving some more examples to ionic bond. So here, calcium oxide. This is metallic oxide. Already we discussed about ionic bond is formed between metal and non-metal, or you take a magnesium oxide, magnesium chloride, or a calcium chloride, or you take, if it is a potassium chloride or potassium oxide, or a sodium sulfide or sodium oxide. So like this, these are what a ionic bond. They form ionic bonds. Please write what you call in detailed explanation how these compounds form ionic bond. I explained last video. So if you want further any example, automatically please comment. Definitely I will upload the respective molecules. Now what are the favorable conditions? Next step, what are the favorable conditions for the formation of ionic bond? So here, what is ionic bond? Ionic bond is nothing but it contains one positive and one negative. Always you have to write a positive ion first and anion negative ion next. This is formed between metal as well as non-metal. Then you have to go through that. What are the favorable conditions for the formation of cation? And you have to go to the what are the favorable conditions for the formation of anion. Now we'll go through that. What are the favorable conditions for the formation of cation? Cation means positively charged. Number one, low ionization potential. What do you mean by low ionization potential? What is the reason behind that? Suppose here, how will you get this positive charge? By donating an electron. By donating an electron, naturally it is converted into to become positive. Means low charge. It is very easy. What do you mean by ionization potential? Ionization potential means the amount of energy required for the removal of an electron from its valence shell is known as ionization potential. Means low energy is required. Automatically what happened? Cation formed more easily. Next, low charge. What do you mean by low charge? Low charge means suppose you take Na plus and Mg2 plus and Al3 plus. Like this, low charge means formed cation easily when compared to higher charges. Why? Here, by removal of one electron, removal of two electrons, removal of 3 electrons, when compared to 3 electrons, so it is very easy to donate 1 electron and convert it into stable electronic configuration. Next, third one, large atomic size. Means what? Suppose the atom is very big in size. Automatically what happened? We can remove electron easily. For example, small atomic size. Suppose you take like this, nucleus, small atomic size, big atomic size. Then what is the difference between these two? Here the attraction is more. It is very difficult to remove an electron from its valence shell. Then here it is very easy. Why it is very easy? It is what you call the distance between nucleus to outermost shell is increases. So that is why it is very easy. Means large atomic size, very easy. Why? So here it is far away from the nucleus, so that is why we can remove easily. So next one here, what are the favorable conditions for the formation of anion? Then first one, number one, this is low ionization potential. Then what about this one? This is high electron affinity. What do you mean by electron affinity? The tendency to attract the bonded electron pair towards itself. means the tendency to attract the bonded electron pair. Means you know about the tendency to attract the bonded pair. Suppose you take chlorine. So here what happened? Na plus and Cl minus. If Cl must be, they are having power to attract the bonded electron pair towards itself. So that is why high electron affinity. I already explained in periodic table what is electron affinity. What is electron affinity? The tendency means the amount of energy liberated, released when an electron is added to neutral gaseous atom. This is suppose Cl. By the addition of an electron, certain amount of energy will be released plus energy. This is known as electron affinity. So here, when an electron is added to an atom, certain amount of energy will be released. That is known as electron affinity. So here, high electron affinity is the one of the favorable conditions for the formation of anion. Then here, second one is high, similarly, electronegativity. What is electronegativity? The tendency to attract the bonded electron pair, what you call easily. So we can attract the bonded electron pair, the tendency to attract the bonded electron pair towards itself. Next, third condition is what? Large atomic size. Here small atomic size. Why? If the atom is very small, so it can attract more easily. It can attract more easily to form the respective what you call anion. Anion means you have to attract the electrons. By attracting electrons, it is converted into anion. So that is why here what happened? Small atomic size is favorable for the formation of what anion. Next, fourth one, that is low charge. Here also low charge. Low charge means what? F minus is formed more easily when compared to high charges. Why? By attracting one electron, it is converted into stable. By attracting two electrons, by attracting three electrons means what? More energy is needed. So that is why here what happened? F minus is formed more easily. Now, once again, we'll go to what are the favorable conditions for the formation of cation? What are the favorable conditions for the formation of anion? So here, low ionization potential, low charge, large atomic size are the favorable conditions for the formation of cation. Then here, high electron affinity, high electronegativity, small atomic size, low charge are the favorable conditions for the formation of ionic bond. It is nothing but is favorable conditions for the formation of cation, favorable conditions for the formation of anion. Indirectly or directly, there are the favorable what you call factors what is favorable for the formation of ionic bond. You have to write these what you call factors for the formation of cation as well as anion. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్టయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి అండ్ ఫైనల్లీ యూ హావ్ టు సబ్స్క్రైబ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.